Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how you can share your video projects on CapCut with other persons. So let's get started. In the first step, launch the CapCut video editor, start a new project or open a pre-existing one. For demonstration purposes, I would like to share that video project here with my contacts. So this is how you can do it, guys. So you're done with editing and customizing, and now you'd like to share that video project. To do that, click on share here in the top right corner. Do some minor adjustments, like for example, give your video project a name. Select the space below where you'd like to save your video project on here on CapCut. Choose a video resolution, the output file format like MP4 for example, or MOV, and last but not least select also the FPS rate. And after that, guys, click on export and share here below and wait for CapCut to export your video clip. So I'll see you guys in a second. And there you go. Once CapCut has finished exporting your video file, you'll be given the opportunity to share your exported video project with your contacts by simply clicking on that button here and by generating a shareable link. And you may copy that link and share it with your friends, families, coworkers, or simply random people online. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.